Hi everyone, I'm Miss Prather, and today I'm going to show you how to access your Google Classroom and then also give you a brief tour of the Google Classroom environment. So the first thing you want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser window, and then you're going to type in google.com. Next, in the upper right hand corner, there's a button to sign in, so we're going to click that button, and you're going to sign in with your Gmail account. So once this page loads, in the upper right hand corner, you'll see a square made up of a series of dots, and this represents Google Apps. So if you click on that icon, and in the first column, starting from your left, if you scroll down, you should find Classroom. So we're going to click on this link, and it's going to take us to our classroom, and your classroom will show you all of the classes that are available to you. So in this case, we only have one, Financial Wellness, so we're going to click it to access it. Once the page opens up, you'll be brought to what's called a stream page. So you can consider the stream page like a home page or a dashboard page. So moving down here on the left hand side, you have a section that says upcoming. So this section will show any assignments that have an upcoming due date. Currently, we don't have any we don't have any assignments that fit that criteria, so therefore we don't have anything to display. So moving to the center of this page, this is where you'll see any class announcements as well as any notifications. So as you can see, we have one class announcement, and then we have a total of 5 notifications. So in this case, these notifications let us know that a new assignment or new material has been posted to this class. Next, let's move to the classwork tab. On this classwork tab, this is where you will find all of your class assignments. So on the left hand side of each assignment, you'll see the class assignment name. And then on the right side, if there's a due date, you'll see due, the actual date, and the time that the assignment is due by. So let's click on this first assignment. So when you click on the assignment, it expands and you can see brief details about that assignment, as well as being able to click on any attachments or available resources. But it's better if you use this link at the very bottom of your assignment window, which says View Material. When you click on this, it expands and opens the assignment in a full window by itself, or a full page by itself, so you can see all of the information that's available for the assignment. So to close this assignment, you simply click it and it contracts back up. So let's look at this class drive folder. So if you click on the class drive folder, this is where all of the class resources will be stored. And anytime an assignment refers to your class drive folder, this is where you should look, or the link that you should click on that will take you to our class folder. So let's X out of this. We don't need it any longer. So now we're back on our classwork tab. So the last tab is our people tab. So on this page, you will see the name of your teachers as well as the name of your classmates. And so those are all of the available tabs. So now we want to go back to our home page or our stream page. So you can click on stream if you like, but you can also click on the class name in the upper left hand corner. So I'm going to click on Financial Wellness to take us back to our stream page. So now we're back at our stream page, and that is all, or that concludes the brief tour of our Google Classroom. So I hope that you find this short video helpful to you, and I appreciate you for watching. Thanks.